Hey, Darren Towers here with the North Texas 750 stall, and I'm trying something else, something I haven't tried before, and this is for an inspection panel that will go in the back of the plane. That it's on the interior, so there's no need to be flush or anything like that and be really fancy. Anyway, I'm using these if you can see them, they're just RivNuts, and these are a 1032. So, you know, they're just aluminum, not very strong, but like I say, this isn't for a structural piece or anything like that's exposed to the air. So it seems a little bit quicker than putting the double pin glide nut things in. So these little, there's the tool, thread it on. You have to have everything kind of adjusted. It's got a big notice, you know, if you pull it too hard, it's going to break your mandrel on the tool. So anyway, there we go. It's in the mandrel. And it's just like squeezing a rivet. Cut it is with my legs. Okay, so I squeezed it. It's good. And then you back it off and turn the little thread here. Hang on. Alright, and there it is. So I kind of like that. I need to just look up and see what the strain and stress is, see if anything else can be attached that way. I kind of like it better than having to do, you know, drill the two little holes and then dimple and all that sort of stuff. So this is pretty quick. It does have a lip on it, but like I say, this is interior. It won't be that big of a deal. It'll just be a cover plate. And so I can get to my fuel filters from the wing tanks to the header tank. So anyway, other things I've been doing is, let me get up and walk around. It's been awfully hot today, so I'm working at night again. So I have done the top of the wing roots to the plane, so those are done. They came out pretty good. It's strange though, I've got, of course it dimpled here. Probably should have squeezed those by hand, but I got a little bit of a gap on this side, and then on the other side, don't quite understand. On the other side, it lines up pretty nice. Just kind of odd on how the wing spars were all kind of pre-drilled and everything was kind of pre-cut, so I don't know if the two left and right panels were identical, so I don't see how that could cause one side to be shifted over. I don't know. I don't think it's my cabin frame shifted over. I don't know, because you know the hole was pre-started in the spar, so it's just kind of strange that one's a little bit further over than the other. It's not bad. It's not like major, but it's kind of a little bit disappointing. Anyway, I'll probably have to edit this video, and I don't know why I'm showing you the